As you guys can see, my hair is not done. I got these ratchet little braids in my hair and I have no intention of taking them down, at least not today. I'm going to show you guys how to get a flawless wig install in 15 seconds or less. I have this beautiful wig here I made out of crochet hair from Toyotress. This is their Yankee twist hair. I have 16 inches. I typically don't crochet my hair because I have really fine hair. So I make my crochet hair into wigs. That way I can just pull out the bag, throw it on my head, and I'm good to go. This is going to hold up a very, very long time. The hair quality is insane. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's put it on. What I appreciate about this too is there's no buying wigs, trying them on, messing them up, and then have to go spend some more money on another wig. It's you gotta go out, get your hair braided, get it crocheted, and spend God knows how much money. With this, you can just throw it on and go. No extra money spent, just bang, bang, boom. Toyotress, you really surprised me. So guys, if you want to get your hands on this hair, go check out the link right here in the caption of this video. Mwah. Bye.